Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to tell you if there is a fix of the long queue times in Counter-Strike 2. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to answer the question, unfortunately, there is not much that you can do to fix the long queue times in Counter-Strike 2. So as this is a server issue that Valve needs to rectify, Valve is currently working on spinning up more servers to increase capacity while also making changes within the game to improve the availability of those servers. So for the patch notes on September 28th, Valve disabled CS2 and demo recording to help with the capacity problem. And until then, you'll just have to wait for these servers to come online before the queue times drop back to normal. And because Counter-Strike 2 replaced CSGO entirely, you can't even go back and play that anymore. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.